Are you scared of the dentist? Have you had a bad experience in a dental office? You're not alone. I'm here to reassure you that you're gonna have a very different experience with us. We pride ourselves on the patient experience from the moment you step in the door to the moment you're escorted out.
Down in Brookhaven, with a smile shining bright, Dr. Brett Langston's working late into the night. With hands steady and a gaze so keen, he's the best on prosthodontist you've ever seen.
I know there's a lot of fear and anxiety wrapped up in dental treatment. A lot of people have had bad experiences. A lot of people have had painful experiences, and they've gotten to the point where they don't even want to go to the dentist because there's so much anxiety and fear and concern. And unfortunately, a lot of that comes from the unknown, and a lot of that comes from the anxiety of not knowing what's going to happen. Is it going to hurt? Is it going to be expensive? Are they going to judge me? We really pride ourselves on making sure you have the greatest experience possible. Now, while it might not be a day at the spa, you'll find that we really are focusing on your comfort, whether it be blankets, music to take your mind off of what's going on. We have a therapy dog to make you anxiety at ease. We really bend over backwards to make sure you feel comfortable. We want you to feel like your family. We want you to feel like you've been really cared for from start to finish. So please know that if you've had a bad experience as a child or you've had dental trauma in your past, dentistry has changed. It's come a long way. We are very patient-centric. We want to make sure you know that when you come to see us, we're going to take great care of you. So while going to the dentist may not be at your top of the list of things to do, it is something you have to do. And we want to be there to make it as comfortable as possible. So I'd love to see some comments below about what really has scared you about going to the dentist in the past, or also some great experiences you've had that made your dental experience wonderful. My team would love to reach out to you. I'm Dr. Brett Langston, prosthodontist and owner at Dental Implant Aesthetic Specialists here in Brookhaven, Georgia. I'm here to help you watch your mouth.
Down in Brookhaven, with a smile shining bright, Dr. Brett Langston's working late into the night. With hands steady and a gaze so keen, he's the best on prosthodontist you've ever seen.